Shalom Aleichem everyone, Chodesh Tov. Today is Rosh Chodesh Shvat, and I wanted to wish you a Chodesh Tov. May this month bring to you joy, happiness, success. May Hashem remove all obstacles from your way, give you all the solutions to all your problems, and bless you with success in everything that you need to achieve, mainly in your Yirat Shamayim. You should have an amazing spiritual growth, and you should do it from the most happiest state of mind, full of joy and strong health. And I wanted to also take the opportunity, I'm very excited to announce that I'm coming to the United States in 2 weeks to my winter tour. I am starting in Los Angeles in February 4th is the first lecture, and after Los Angeles I'm going to be heading out to Denver. We have 3 amazing lectures scheduled for Denver. And from Denver, I'm going to continue to South Florida, to Miami, and all that area. And from there, we're going to go up to New York and finish the tour up in New York. So please visit the website, atzmut.org/tour. The link is underneath this video. You'll be able to find there all the lectures, locations, everything that you need to know about the tour. Please take the moment to watch the page, read it, see if it's in a city near you, and if not, you can share it. That's the next thing I wanted to ask from you. Even if you don't live in one of the cities that I'm coming to, please share the page, share the video, make everybody know that I'm coming. We have a line of amazing lectures. For the ones who can't make it, all the lectures, of course, are going to be recorded, and we're going to try to broadcast them live in a professional, clean way. So please follow the link to atzmut.org/tour. You'll find all the information about the tour, share it. And we still have a few free days if you want to host an event, or if you want to host an event in a different town, and maybe not for this tour, but in a future tour. It's always good to contact my team and let them know that you are interested in hosting a class, a shiur, whatever it is, and to be on our list. But for this trip, if you live in Los Angeles or Miami and New York, we have a free day. If you want to host an event, you can contact us via email or WhatsApp, and maybe you'll be the next host of the next event. In the meantime, I want to wish you all the well, ask you to share this video, and please don't forget, this tour and all the outreach efforts that we do costs a lot of money, especially a tour like now. Airline tickets and car rentals and places to stay and advertising and all that goes around it. So you'll find a button on the page at atzmut.org/tour where you can submit a donation to support the tour and the outreach efforts that we do. This tour, we're going to be reaching hundreds and thousands of people, inspiring lectures, personal meetings. It's going to be amazing. If you live in any of these cities, I hope I can see you. Don't be lazy and wait for the recording to come online. Live lecture is completely different. You can see me, ask me questions, get a blessing. And Be'ezrat Hashem, I'm coming to the United States with a lot of surprises, so stay tuned. In the next 2 weeks, I'm going to be loading all the flyers. Please help us spread the word and share the flyers on your social media to your friends and your loved ones. And if you think you can help us in any type of a way, in any speciality that you have, please step forward. We always need help with many different things, and it's a great mitzvah. And if you can not help with your skills or with your talent, and if you can help with your money, that's also amazing. Very rare mitzvah, and I'm offering to everybody to join. And together we're gonna change people's lives, inspire people, put smiles on people's faces, and I know it's going to be an amazing tour. One very important announcement that I want to make today is Rosh Chodesh Shvat. In 2 weeks exactly is Tu B'Shvat. Tu B'Shvat is a very powerful holiday that most people ignore completely. You can watch online many of the classes that I have about Tu B'Shvat to educate yourself about Tu B'Shvat. I will post more videos about Tu B'Shvat in the coming week. But we do a Seder Tu B'Shvat where we do a whole list of brachot and blessings. And many compare the Seder of Tu B'Shvat to the Seder of Pesach. So the custom is to drink wine and to eat fruit and make a lot of blessings. So of course, my special wine from Israel that is specially made for Pesach, of course, is available. You can buy it for the Tu B'Shvat Seder. And on Tu B'Shvat is a very powerful day for special prayers for Shidduchim, for Zivugim, for Shlom Bayit, for Parnasa. I will let everybody know what needs to be done, the prayers, the Seder, but I'm letting you know 2 weeks in advance. And in 2 weeks is Tu B'Shvat. Don't ignore Tu B'Shvat and take advantage of this powerful day. And from Tu B'Shvat, the 15th day of Shvat, we have 30 days till Purim and then 30 days till Pesach. All comes together, all is connected to each other. So take advantage of all it, share the video, and I hope to see you in one of the events. And please, please share this video with all your loved ones. Thank you, and I'll see you in one of the next events.